My phone lags and hangs while playing games. Let's see how to fix lag and hang issues on Samsung. First, go to Mobile Settings. Go to the About Phone section. Go to Software Information. Click on the version number or build number 7 times. Enter your screen lock password. Now your phone's developer mode is enabled. Now go to Accessibility. Turn on Reduce Animation. Now go to the Play Store. Click on Play Protect. Now turn on these two things. Click on Scan. I don't have any harmful apps, so it shows green. If it is showing red, uninstall the harmful apps immediately. Now clear all recent apps. After doing all these things, your hanging problem will be solved.